Hello, welcome to today's open box video. Today, I want to share a new product I received, QuietOn earbud. So I actually received the older version of this from them long time ago, and I interviewed their CEO. The link is down below. So I really like the previous one I received. I tried that one at the beginning just out of curiosity, right? I put it on during the daytime. I stand right beside my dishwasher. The dishwasher gets really quiet. I don't really hear the dishwasher very much. So I was amazed by that. But I have no idea if I sleep beside someone who snores really loud, whether it's gonna work. But recently, I have some problem in my water heater in my house. So somehow the wall, there's some ding 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 sound at night continuously throughout the whole night. Before I was able to get some people come over to fix that, I just cannot sleep for days. I end up taking on this older version of this earphone and put it in my ear and sleep through it the whole night. Guess what? I was able to sleep and I could not hear the sounds anymore. So that's what really bothered me. Also, I only charged that earphone once. It lasted me for several weeks. And for at least a week, I was using it every single night. So I really like it. So I'm gonna open this box and I'm gonna go on a trip with it because I'm gonna sleep in the same hotel room with my parents who snores really loud. I'm gonna use this for 1 week and really try, see whether this can help me sleep through the snoring. You can see it can fully hide into my ear, so nothing comes out to block it when I sleep. So actually when I tried it, it's very comfortable. This is a charge box, and you can charge it here. You charge this whole box once, and then every time you just put this back in the box during the daytime, it can last quite a long time. Hello, I'm back from my trip. So over the past 2 weeks, I went to different cities, different places, and stayed in the same hotel room as my parents. They snored almost every night. Some nights are louder, more frequent, sometimes not as loud, and not as frequent. So what I noticed is, for several nights when I did not wear their earplug, I definitely had a hard time to sleep well. I noticed I was waking up often and I could hear the snoring sound in the middle of the night. So then for the next several days, I wear this earplug. So my feeling is even when I wear it, I can still hear the snoring, but the snoring sound somehow is much lower frequency and it's not as loud. Somehow it's just become less annoying. I guess they're part of this placebo effect, but also part of that is this earplug really somehow balancing out the noise around my sleeping environment. So the result for me, at least, is when I wear it and sleep, I was able to sleep much better than I did not wear it in an environment of snoring. So I would say this earphone possibly not perfect, but somehow it works for me. So please check out all the information you need and all the other products on the market and make your own choice. I hope my own experience could shed light for you to help you when you make your own decision. If you want to try this earphone, they do provide a 10% off coupon, and I do have an affiliate link with them. The link is down below. If you buy through that link, you will get the 10% off discount. So no matter what you decide, hopefully you find something really help you to sleep better. If you have insomnia and you are looking for a treatment, you can also consider my insomnia course online. I'm Dr. Yishan. I will see you next time. Bye.